feel how this one would want to go on you.
Yeah. So go right hand side of the black Ferrari for me. Just go past him. You're going to come to a stop behind the Lamborghini where the photography guy is at the moment. So keep it going forward. Go around to your left slightly. That's it. Keep it going forwards. That's it. A little bit around to the right. Keep it creeping forward. Nice and straight. Perfect. Come to a quick stop just there for me. Remain on the brake. You can take your mask off for the photograph. Okay. And if you want to open your door again, that's fine. Pull that lever upwards. There we are.
Yeah.
Put your mask back on for me. So once you're ready, come off the brake in between the two orange cones in front of us and start squeezing a little bit of power through.
Okay.
That's it.
Off and squeeze through.
That's it. A little bit of power. Keep building the power in. Perfect. Head towards the circuit now. That's it. Change up one gear. Okay, so you can enter the circuit and stay to the left hand side of it. Good. Change up one more. Good. Keep squeezing a little bit of power through. That's it, keep going, change it one more. It's a nice straight line from here. That's it, mate. Keep squeezing a bit of power in. Perfect, it's nice and straight. Keep going nice and straight. A little bit more power. Keep it going. A little bit more. Keep squeezing it in. Perfect. Just drop it down one gear. You won't need to brake. Just keep off the power for a second. Reach your turn board, then round to the right. Squeeze a bit of power through, turning in. All the way round to your left hand side again. Keep squeezing it in. Back on the power. Good. Change up one. That's it, keep squeezing it in. Keep it going. Keep it going, mate. Nice and straight. Just lifting off the power here, back onto the brake. Drop it down one. So through here, you want to keep always to the left for me. Off the brake, you're fine. Just roll yourself through. Keep to your left. That's it. Reach your turn board. A little bit of power. Into the middle now. That's it. Down a little dip. Squeeze a bit more power through. Round to the right towards the yellow. Always to the left for me. Back on the power here. Keep going. Change at one. Over to your right hand side, stay to the right hand side for me until you reach that blue turn board. Keep it nice and straight, don't brake, keep going forward, that's it, now turning in, squeeze a bit of power through, round to your right, back on the power here, a little bit more, all the way to the left, good, change up one, stay to the left hand side, keep on the power for me, keep it going, that's it, off the power, back on the brake, down one more, off the brake here, round to the right towards the yellow cone, good. Bring yourself into the middle this time. Keep yourself into the middle. Perfect. How you finding this one?
I like it.
Yeah, good.
I actually find it easier than the Bentley.
Yeah. So the Bentley, because it's so big, the paddles are so high up on it as well. I think it's a bit awkward. Keep squeezing a little bit of power through for me. That's all the way round to the right. Keep squeezing it in a little bit more. Keep going round to your right hand side. That's it. So you're aiming for them two yellow cones. Just go in between them. Squeeze a bit more power through. Good, round to the left, back on the power, change up one, keep it going, change up one more, good, keep it going, that's it, coming off the power, back on the brake here, down one, a little bit more onto the brake, good, a bit more on the brake, down one more, off the brake, turning in, that's it, round to your left, squeeze the power through, stay to your left, straighten the wheel, back on the power, change up one, good, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, off the power, back on the brake, nice and firm here, down one, keep always to the left hand side for me, good, off the brake here, stay to your left, bring yourself into the middle, perfect, keep yourself in the middle, squeeze a bit of power through now, round to the right towards that yellow, always to the left hand side, back on the power, good, change your one, round to your right, stay to the right hand side, keep squeezing it in, okay, keep squeezing it, reach your turn board again, perfect, nice and straight, turning in, squeeze the power through, round to your right, back on the power, good, all the way to the left side now, keep it going, change up one, that's it, off the power, back on the brake here, nice and firm, down one more, off the brake here, round to your right, good, back into the middle for me, all the way to the left, so this time we are coming back in, okay, so keep over to the left hand side.
Yeah.
How did you find that one?
I like that one a lot.
Good.
Yeah, it's like so much easier too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a bad car, I think.
It likes to hug the corners more.
Yeah, the next car we're going to be in is a little bit better, I think. The V10 Plus Audi.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of my favourites, that one. So we're going to try and find parking space of it. So try and go left hand side of the red Lamborghini for me. See if we can tuck it down the side.
Okay.
So
Left
that's it. Just go through the gap over, a bit more to the right.
Yeah.
Just behind the V10 Plus.
Yeah.
That's it. Keep it coming forward. A bit more to your right. There's a gap on the right hand side of the V10 Plus between the two orange cones. Okay, you'll see the other orange in a second.
Yeah.
Just have to swing it round to the left. That's it. All the way round to your left. Good lad. That's it. Straighten the wheel up for me. Nice and straight. Come forward a bit more. Come to a stop just there. Just remain onto the brake.